In this video, we are going to discuss about asteroids, meteors and comets. Okay. Asteroids are small planet-like heavenly bodies found in the solar system. They are large pieces of rocks floating in space. Most of them are located between Mars and Jupiter. This area of space is also known as asteroid belt. These asteroids are also called as planetoids or minor planets. Scientists believe that asteroids are the broken parts of a planet. Now let us learn about meteors. In the night, you must have seen about some bright streaks of light moving across the sky with great speed. So these are called as meteors. They are also called as shooting stars. Actually, these meteors are small pieces of rocks. Like many other heavenly bodies, they also revolve around the sun. They cannot be seen as they are very small. The meteors can be seen in the sky only when they enter the surface of the earth. That means the earth atmosphere. Most of them burn up and become gases because of the gravitational force in the earth. Okay, so when they reaches the atmosphere, because of the gravity, it catches up fire. Some big meteors do not burn up completely. They reach the surface of the earth and are called as meteorites. So when they hit the earth, they create large depressions known as craters. Many such craters are found throughout the world. Some of the famous craters can be seen at Ramgarh in Rajasthan and Arizona in USA. So the crater at Arizona in the USA is the largest known crater in the world. It's nothing in depression on the surface of the earth. Many meteorites have been collected by scientists. They are useful in the study of our solar system. Most meteorites contain a large amount of iron. Now let us learn about comets. So comets are celestial bodies made up of snow and rocky dust. They also revolve around the sun in their own orbit. When comets reach near the sun, they develop a long tail that starts glowing. The tail is thousands of kilometers long. So during past days, people consider comets as bad omens. That means a bad sign. Okay. So scientists believe that there are about 2 billion comets orbiting the sun. The most famous comet is the Halley's Comet. So this comet is seen once in 76 years. It was last seen in the year 1986. There are some comets that take even more time than Halley's Comet to orbit the sun. Yes, children, we are in the end of the lesson. We have seen all these things. Like what are celestial bodies, what is called as a universe, a galaxy, and the solar system. We have seen about the stars and the arrangement of stars in different pattern called constellations. We have learnt about the planets in our solar system and about the different phases of the moon. Okay, we have reasoned out why the earth is a suitable place for life, because earth has the basic necessities for life. Okay, earth has air, water and food, so life is possible on earth. Okay, so we have learnt about the satellites and difference between the natural satellites and human made satellites. We have learnt about the asteroids, meteors and comets. I hope this lesson is clear for you. If you have any further doubts, you can call me and clarify your doubts. Thank you, children.